What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So what is going on with the market today? Ethereum 1600 support getting weaker, and watch out for options expiration on Friday. Bull's target is 25,000 and bear's target below 22,000. So let's check who will win, the bulls or the bear. So I am an early bird today, guys. I'm just trying this time slot because the last 3 days my stream was together with the other channel. One sec. All right. Oh, we are seeing a lot of red today. Friday's coming. Hi to the chill traders, to the viewers. Operative first. Should give you an award, Operative, because you're the first. Forever red. Yeah, we're red today. New destination, hi Chill, please do rune. All right, so we'll check rune today. Again, we are doing the traditional request here. So rune, we'll be doing rune today. Rune already on the list. Today very early. What do you think about this new time? There's other channel. BTC is always the king. So guys, let's check the overall crypto market today and what is happening with the market and what should we expect in the coming days. So yesterday, as what I've discussed, Bitcoin still my target. We are still in an overall downtrend, and what I've discussed yesterday, I'm shorting every pump to the resistance level because right now we are still in a downtrend. And one of the reason why you lose in trading, because you always forget that the trend is always your friend. So don't go against the trend, guys. If you see that the trend is going down, just go with the flow. Ethereum right now is trading, testing the support at 1,609. Very early. I am from India. This is new time. New time is great. All right, so I'll try to do my best to do the stream during this time, because when I check my YouTube analytics, most of the viewers are coming from UAE time. 6 p.m. until 8 p.m. is the time frame where most of the viewers on YouTube are available. So I'm trying this new time frame right now. We have BNB still going strong, guys. The target, I don't know if you have seen the previous stream, but the target for BNB for the breakout is the top of the falling wedge. And we have XRP down almost. Most of our cryptos are down, and Solana is still holding even with the hacking incident, guys. So try to safeguard your cryptos, and if you can get hardware wallet, I'm still trying to get the sponsor from Ledger. Today they have replied for 10% discount, but if they can give me 50%, then I will be happy to do the unboxing of the new Ledger. They have new types. We have orange, and they have purple, and they have black. So what do you think is the best color? Do you have POS? I'm from India, right? So Doge, Polkadot is also down today by 1.35 in the past 24 hours. Dogecoin is also down by almost 2%. Polygon Matic is down by 2% today. Mostly red. Weekend is coming. You know, in crypto, we have 2 weekends that we got a pump. So weekend pump. Let's see if this weekend is going to be a pump or dump. Options expiration coming this Friday. We have AVAX at number 14, also down by 2.5. Black all the way. Oh, but everyone have the black ledger. I want to be unique, so I'm planning orange maybe. Let's try to I'll show you the new color of the ledger. Shiba Inu is also down. Mostly are down. Let's check. Litecoin is still at number 21, trying to regain the number 20 spot, and Ethereum Classic are still on number 19 and down by 4.4% today. And let's check Crypto Bubble. Flow is overflowing, and the biggest bubble right now today. Flow and negative 19.2 MV. What is MV? Engine starting to show up here, and Fantom. So let's check, guys. I think Fantom, I have chart today for Fantom that we need to watch out. Get rainbow colored one. All right, so let's check first the news before we proceed with the chart. So I want this stream to be fast and precise. So one of the news that I'm watching right now, this is 17 hours ago. 3 key Ether derivatives metrics suggest 1,600 ETH support lacks strength. So this is in confluence with our support trend line here. Around 1,600 will be the support trend line for ETH. So I need to move this now here, because this will be the breakout point. Somewhere here will be the breakout point for Ethereum. So data shows Ether option traders are less bearish than before, but lower gas fees and smart contract deposit give ETH bulls little hope. All right, so Ethereum price is up by 60% since May 3, outperforming leading cryptocurrency Bitcoin. BTC by 32% over that span. So this a lot of influencers on Twitter are calling this bull run right now, and they have new ATH target. but I'm calling this a relief rally, bear market relief rally. So don't get too excited, guys. Don't FOMO into this kind of pump. You don't want to buy on this kind of level right now. But if you want to accumulate long term, in the VIP, we have our long-term portfolio there. Those are the cryptos that I'm hodling long-term, and I have some other on the sides as well, like 10x, 5x, 100x gems that are high risk but also high return. BTC 32%, so Ethereum is leading this run, guys, and BTC is just following over the span. However, evidence suggests that the current 1,600 support, so these are the current level right now, lacks strength as network use and smart contract deposit metrics weaken. So based on this news, guys, the smart contract and the amount of deposit are getting weaker or lesser. Moreover, Ethereum derivative shows increasing sell pressure from margin traders. So we have a sell pressure right now. This news is 17 hours ago. The positive price move was primarily driven by growing certainty of the merge. So I think merge is coming this September. This could be buy the rumor and sell the news. Same always what happened to most of the cryptos and in the space. Which Ethereum transitioned to proof of stake consensus network during the Ethereum Core Developer Conference called on July 14. Developer Tim Bako proposed September 19. September 19 is the date as a tentative target date for the merge. In addition, analysis expect that new supply of ETH will be reduced by up to 90%. So the supply will be reduced by up to 90%, guys. So the less supply, the higher the price, because the law of supply and demand. After the network monetary policy change, thus creating a bullish catalyst. So this is one of the reasons why Ethereum, while we have seen Ethereum pumping today, or not today, the past month or the past weeks, Ethereum total value locked TVL has vastly benefited from Terra's ecosystem collapse. So one crypto that benefited from Terra's collapse is Ethereum, because the TVL or total value locked in was shifted from Terra Luna to Ethereum right now because of the proof of stake update. Ethereum shifted their decentralized DeFi deposit to Ethereum network thanks to robust security and battle tested application, including DAO Maker, the project behind DAI stablecoin. DAI is still alive while Terra Luna or UST is already dead. Total value locked. So let me just finish this news, guys, because this is important when trading as well. We need to combine news and fundamentals when we are trading. Currently, the Ethereum network holds 59% market share, TVL up to 51 on May, according to data from DeFi Llama. Despite gaining share, Ethereum current 40 billion deposit on smart contract seems small compared to 100 billion seen in December 2021. Demand for decentralized application dApp used on Ethereum seems to have weakened, considering the median transfer fees or gas costs. So right now, if you remember when Bitcoin was trading around 17,000, I have transferred most of my cryptos to hardware wallet, because the gas fees are so low during that time. I think Ethereum gas fee dropped by, it's very, very low during that time. That was the time I have transferred most of my cryptos from exchange to my hardware wallet, considering the median transfer. And also, one of the reasons why I transferred, because my long-term target for the possible bottom for Bitcoin was around 16 to 20,000. Worst case scenario will be around 14,000. So I was actually panic buying during the crash at 17,000. My average for Bitcoin is at around 19,500, 18.5, 19,000 ish. I don't really calculate, but that's somewhere there. $18,000 to $19,000 is currently my average for Bitcoin, and Ethereum is around $1,000 and the rest of the altcoins. And also considering when the network transaction cost surpasses $7.5 on average, still one might argue that higher use of layer 2 solution as Polygon and Arbitrum are responsible for the lower gas fee. All right, margin traders reducing their bullish bet. So this is one of the metrics here to confirm the movement. We're blah 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 blah. All right. So overall, guys, this article is saying that the support at 1,600 is getting weaker, and that is in confluence with the hour chart today. So let's move on to the chart and chart request. 1 inch still trying to break the resistance here. I have shared this chart in my previous 2 stream, and still 1 inch is still trading in this area here, trying to break the resistance at 0.7969. So watch out. If this is going to be rejected, again, possible target will be 0.66. But if 1 inch will be able to break this resistance, we'll wait for the retest of support and we'll ride the possible target up to $1. We have also resistance here. This will be a strong resistance zone in this level. So first target will be 0.89 and next will be $1 for 1 inch. Also, we'll check BNB. So we have Rune and BNB today. Request from Rashad, and we have Rune and BNB. All right. Traditional taking down nodes. So again, in my previous stream, I've shared with you guys Bitcoin has been rejected from the resistance trend line and still currently on a downtrend. And this 20-day EMA right now is acting as a support for Bitcoin. And yesterday, Bitcoin was trading at around $23,600, and based on the previous stream, I told you that I am going to short the pumps for this downtrend, guys, because we have, if you're going to check the lower time frame, we have actually a downtrend channel for Bitcoin. So always the trend is your friend. We have this downtrend channel here, and we have a breakout. Seems like a breakout yesterday. But again, as what I've discussed, if my Elliott wave is correct, so this is not quite sure with this 5 wave here that I'm making, but if this is correct, we are right now on ABC correction. We have my B target will be around 23,700, 600, and C should be equal to A. So let's check. This is actually A is around 8%, and B correction is also around 8%. So if this is correct, my next target, I'm still holding my short position at 24,000. My C wave target will be around $21,700 for Bitcoin, and that will remain the same because we are still in an overall downtrend. You see, we got rejection here in the daily time frame. We got rejection in the daily time frame, and if you're going to check the RSI, previously when Bitcoin was trading at around 24,000, I was already on short because the RSI was already on top here. And eventually this is going to revisit the previous low. This is going to revisit the previous low here. It only takes a matter of time. And right now, this is still going down, guys, going down. So the trend is your friend. Once we see a reversal or the break of resistance trend line here, then that's the time that we change the our position. We might change once we see like this kind of signal here, reversal candles. So this could be a signal for reversal, and that's the time we close our short position and we shift to long position. But right now, this is still in an overall downtrend, and RSI is still hovering in the middle line here, and eventually this is going to revisit the previous low or the oversold area, similar to this one. And if you're going to zoom out, guys, this is forming a bear flag. We have a pole, our pole here, this green line, and we have our flag here, and a possible target to, not this is the worst case, but I have my possible bottom at around this area. So this will be the first target, but right now we consider first the support trend line and possible long position once we reach the support trend line. As of now, I am still holding my short position, and my target remains at 21,685. The past few days has been slow for the entire market. It doesn't mean that we are not killing the trade, but the market has been slow. If you have checked the amount or the exchanges derivatives volume, guys, this is continuously dropping in the past 2 weeks. The volume in all the exchanges has been dropping in the past 2 weeks. The volume is very, very low in the past 2 weeks. That means that the current market, mostly retails are trading. So we are seeing this consolidation area. But once market makers or the whales join the game, we might see some action. So going back to Bitcoin, if you're going to zoom out, we are still in a bear flag pattern here. This is very clear, bear flag pattern, but I'm seeing a lot of posts that we are now going to the moon. We have hit the bottom, but doesn't matter if we have hit the bottom and we go to the moon. My bags are ready for long term. I have my Bitcoin, I have my Ethereum, I have all my altcoins ready. But based on the chart, guys, Bitcoin has been rejected from the resistance trend line. Bitcoin has been rejected from the resistance trend line, and if my analysis is correct here, we are still in wave, going now to wave C, because my target for ABC correction here, wave B will be around 23,700. If price goes above or close above 23,700, this will be invalidated. Wave C will be invalidated. But right now, this seems to be valid, in my own opinion. And by the way, before we proceed further, all the information provided in this channel are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Cryptocurrency is highly volatile and very high risk. Only invest what you can afford to lose. And Solana hack in the previous days, don't forget to secure your wallet, guys. If you can get a hardware wallet, try to secure your funds. Protect your asset at all times. So here, I'm just going to show you some comparison. So similar here, Bitcoin has been trading in a similar pattern, like a bear flag pattern here. And Bitcoin RSI has been trading on the top level, similar here, trading on the top level. But eventually, this is going to revisit the oversold area, guys. This is going to revisit the oversold area. And I think right now, we are on our way there. But that is as per the chart. All right, so checking at the lower time frame, we have the channel here in the 1 hour time frame. So I'm still shorting Bitcoin all the way down. you see this trend here. So Bitcoin, possible reversal here, then this is the time to long. Here, this is the time to short. Here, this is the time to long. Right now, we are in an overall downtrend, so this is the time to short. And we have this channel here. Daily time frame or a 1 hour time frame, we have this channel here. This seems to be a breakout, but didn't break the wave B or the resistance here at 23,600 level. So right now, the key level support that you need to watch out will be this one here. 22,700 level will be the key level support. If this will break, we might see a big candle to the downside like this one here. We might see a big candle here going down to revisit the wave C. So that's my analysis for Bitcoin. And you need to do your own analysis, guys. Don't trust any YouTuber, including me. Don't trust any YouTuber or don't trust any tweet on Twitter. Don't base your trade on the tweets that you have seen. Do your own research, do your own analysis. If you have seen a YouTube review or YouTube technical analysis or a Twitter post, try to check if they have a point and compare it with your own analysis and try to trade and develop your own strategy. Because once you develop your own strategy, that will be the best strategy that you can use. So Bitcoin is still going down. All right. So my target remains at wave C unless wave B is broken or Bitcoin daily or daily candle close above 23,700. This wave C will be invalidated. All right. So that's for Bitcoin, guys. Going back to Ethereum. So 1,600 level is the level that we're watching right now. We have the support trend line here. Ethereum is still in an overall uptrend, guys. Structure is still intact. No break of structure yet. So this is still in an uptrend. We have a support trend line going up. And right now it seems that Ethereum is retesting this support trend line. So we might see a possible bounce near this area here. Possible bounce, and this is acting as resistance right now, 1685 level. So if this is going to break, this is the time that we enter short here. Breakdown, retest of the previous support, and then we ride the waves going down. So levels, just in case that we need to watch out, just in case Ethereum will break the 1,600 level ish area. First support that I'm looking at is 1461. This will be the first support here. You see 1, 2, 3. So this will be the first support. Second support is 1357. So we are going to work on this level for now. So this will be our trading range for now. So why do I say trading range, guys? So if this is our trading range, we are going to play within this range. So if you're going to long, you can set your long position, but check price action in the lower time frame. Don't go on long position once you see a big red candle here. Don't catch falling knives. So once you see a big red candle that breaks the support, don't go on long. But once you see a slow approach here near the support trend line, same as this one, soft landing here. If you're going to look at this price action in the lower time frame, you see we have slowly moving towards the support trend line, touch the support. We have a reversal candle, which is the sign for reversal, and then that's the time we can enter our long position. But if you're going to see a big red flashing candle that breaks the support like this, don't enter a long position here because you will get wrecked. Not a financial advice in my, that's a chill trader's move right there. So if you see Ethereum trying to approach the support slowly, and you see a reversal candle, then that's the time you can enter long position near the support trend line at around this area, 1571, 1590 to 1600. Right now it's approaching the support slowly, but check out 15-minute time frame and 1 hour time frame for price action. So that's for Ethereum. Key level support that you need to watch out will be this level here, 1570 to 1600. So right now this is acting as a support, this level. So this will be the level that you need to watch out. So this was the previous breakout point, acting right now as a support, and Ethereum is retesting this previous support. So let's see if this will hold or this will break in the coming hours or days. So that's for Ethereum. And Fantom, guys, we have a bearish divergence going on in Fantom here. So Fantom, we have higher high, price is forming higher high, while we have our RSI forming lower low. Let me share the chart first. See, let me share the charts on Twitter or later. I'm gonna share it first in the VIP. All right. This one is, we have 1 inch, just very quick, guys. 1 inch chart update as per the, all right. Also, we have BTC chart update as per. We have also Ethereum. ETH chart update as per. All right. Next, we have Fantom. Let me just remove my comments here. FTM chart update as per. Right. We have also all right, so going back to Fantom, guys, we have our channel here, but I'm afraid to trade this kind of channel because even though it's going up, but it's forming like a bear flag pattern here, and possible target for this bear flag is 0.1469, which is the previous support here as well in the daily time frame and previous breakout point for Fantom. Possible short position near the resistance trend line and stop loss just above this candle wick here, just to be safe. So just above candle wick here at 0.3912 level. But also this is forming higher high, but we have a bearish, strong bearish divergence in the daily time frame here. Price is going higher high while the RSI is forming lower lows. So that means that the buying pressure is getting weaker and weaker. Eventually this is going to break and may fall back down to its previous support trend line, which is around 0.2931. Just in case the support trend line breaks down, this will be the possible target for the breakdown. Breakout target. All right. So that's for Fantom. Let me just share this one more time. All right. So going back to the next chart is Aave. Also similar, moving in a uptrend channel. We have our support trend line, we have our resistance trend line, but also volume is forming higher lows, or forming descending channel here, or descending pattern. Also, our RSI, stochastic RSI, is forming higher lows here as well. So price is moving up or forming higher high, but RSI is forming higher low. Bearish divergence in the daily time frame. Possible target for the breakout will be first support here, support 1, support 1, and support 2. So this will be my possible target for Aave, just in case we see a breakdown. This will be the first target, and eventually this one here. But check, because Aave might still bounce near the support trend line and might try to push this one more time here before going down. But right now, there is a strong bearish divergence in the daily time frame. Aave, right. So last chart, and we're going to proceed with the chart request. We have OP. Based on the previous stream, guys, I have set my long position here at around 0.4 and take profit near this 1.618, or the Fibonacci level here. I have closed my long position and I have opened a short position near this area here. I'm still holding my short position for OP. That is a bonus chart for today. So we have a breakout point at around this area, 1.83. Watch out for this level. We might get a bounce here and continue to move upward. This is looking like a cup and handle with the neckline here and breakout point at around this level. But watch out, I'm still holding my short position. I have taken 50% of the profit, and I have adjusted my stop loss back to entry. $15 watching, 4 likes. We have 17 watching right now, but eventually, guys, those viewers will come eventually to this channel. Right now, mostly during this sideways move, most of the traders or most of the newbies who have entered the market just because they heard about crypto and they have learned about trading, they will come and go. But eventually, the one who will stay for long term will have the most of the gains and will have most of the experience. Those who come and go will not going to last in this kind of market. Crypto is for long term. This is a journey, guys. This is not a get rich quick scheme. So if you're here and if you want to get rich overnight, it's easier to get poor and to get liquidated overnight than to get rich overnight in crypto. So this is futures, and trading is the best tool to get poor overnight if you are greedy and if you are hungry to make money overnight. So again, proper position time, proper position sizing, and timing the market is better than timing the market. Correct. So that is why we need to stay. We need to stay in the market. High or low, consolidation, whatever the market goes, I will be here, and I will be here until the next cycle. So the one who will stay here until the next cycle, I'm gonna see you on the next cycle. I'm gonna see you in the next bull run, and this channel will grow in the next cycle, guys. Right now, there are a few. Some have lost interest, some have quit, but this is going to be a journey, guys. So all right, so that's for, we'll check Rune and BNB before we end the stream. We have some of the requests. Rune. For me, this is the best time right now. This is the best time. Bear market is the best time to find the gems and also to learn how to trade, because in the bull market, oh my God. Everything will just go up and you will not have the time to even trade, guys. What we do in the bull market is we just buy low and we hold, and then we sell every resistance. So right now we're trying to short every resistance. In the bull market, we are going to buy every support. So we'll check Rune and BNB before we end the stream. Oh, I still have my chart here. Oh, very perfect. Who made this chart? Who made this chart here? You see, I have my line here going up, resistance and breakout of support. So previously I've discussed this, I think, in my previous stream, or someone have requested for Rune. Breakout target still remains the same based on the chart, but we'll check it now. We have our support trend line here, which is still holding. Let me increase the font size. So support trend line here, yellow line. We'll make it green, visible. Is it visible? So we have our breakout point and expected a revisit of support here. Right now we got a revisit of support and still testing the previous breakout point here, or the resistance and breakout point at 2.48. Let's check the RSI. RSI, we have high, we have low. This is not a bearish divergence because the price, so what you can see compared to the previous, compared to Aave and Fantom, we have the price going up, we have the stochastic RSI going down. Same with Aave here. Price is going up and stochastic RSI going down. But for Rune, price is going down and stochastic RSI is going down. So no divergence in Rune. So possible for Rune daily time frame. Again, if you want to set a long position, not a financial advice, all of this is for educational purposes only. Atom is good for long, ain't pumping yet. Let's check if we have time. Right now we are going to check Rune and BNB before we end the stream. So possible long position in the previous breakout point. If this is going to hold as a support, again, watch out or check the lower time frame for possible price action. So check if this price or Rune will approach this previous breakout point, and this is the previous resistance turned into a support. So watch out if this is going to, if Rune is going to approach this level slowly, and you see this kind of candle here, reversal candle or bullish candle, then you can enter long position or near the support trend line. For now, stochastic RSI in the daily time frame looking for a reversal, possible reversal. Price is still going down. So if you can wait for possible long entry here, or buy zone if you're trading in spot near the support trend line. If this will hold, again, watch for price action. Don't go on long or don't buy if you see a big red candle breaking the support trend line. The trend is your friend. So similar here, once you see the price approaching the support trend line, and once you see this kind of candle, doji candle is a indecisive candle, which means also a reversal candle. Similar here, we have a bullish candle. Also here, we have a reversal candle. Also here, we have a reversal candle. But right now, this is still going down. Always check Bitcoin when trading altcoin, guys. So possible long and buy zone for Rune remains at this level. 2.35 until 2.49 or 2.5. Right? So possible resistances and breakout target remains at 3. This will be the ideal breakout target, and the strongest resistance will be around 3.7, and we have small resistances along the way at 2.82 and 3.1. So let's proceed with the next chart, BNB, which I have also shared and discussed in the previous stream, guys. So BNB, it only takes time. You see here, I remember exactly we have discussed this level here. At this point, that was when? July 4? 1 month ago, I have discussed this level here. This level. I remember exactly making this arrow here. So, this will be the level to watch out before, and possible price target or breakout target remains the same for BNB. Ideal breakout target remains at $336, and the first target or first breakout target already hit from our long position or buy zone from the support here at 212, and right now BNB is still trading at around $302. It's already up by 42%. So right now, the next possible resistance for BNB, this is a little bit messy, but that's how it is. So we have an uptrend here, and also a breakout from possible falling wedge. This is not a complete wedge, but we have seen already a breakout here, and we have also a support trend line. Let me just increase the font. So we have a support trend line here. Support right now that you need to watch out for BNB will be this level, 283. So once we see a correction, we have this level here and a possible revisit of the previous support trend line. This is still in an overall uptrend, guys. But this is huge move because we're looking at the daily time frame. So, and again, looking at the stochastic RSI, this is already in the oversold area. And this is a bearish, small bearish divergence here, starting here, up to this point. This point here, bearish divergence, and we got a correction here. We did not see this previously, but this is a bearish divergence, weak bearish divergence. RSI is forming flat channel here, while the price is forming higher high. So we got a bearish divergence and we got a correction here from BNB. We have our previous resistance turned into a support right now here. And so for BNB, same price target or ideal breakout target remains on the same level. This should be here at $328. Possible revisit of support because RSI is already near the overbought area. So exhaustion of buyers are getting in. So possible revisit of support here at 283 until 264 for BNB, and possible bounce near the support trend line at around 261 if this will continue to hold. Watch out for Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin breaks the support, breaks all the support, then most of the altcoin will follow. All right, so that's it for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, if you have learned something today, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Trade safely, protect your asset at all times, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.